Hi, welcome to QA on Demand. The objective of this video is to demonstrate our job wizard. Here, we are going to use the abbreviated wizard that gathers the minimum information you need to get going. The abbreviated wizard is ideal for simple projects like pre-launch content. For more complicated projects like Selenium test automation, we suggest you use the full wizard. The first step is to identify what is being tested. In this example, we are testing a new Party Picks Android app, so we select Apps. And we choose Android devices. If you have other requirements for the devices, let us know here. In this case, we have none, so we move on. The next question we need to know is where to find your app. If it is already in the market or available on a staging server, just provide us with the URL for download. Alternatively, you can upload a binary after the wizard is complete. Here, we ask to identify the desired testing services. We offer three broad categories of testing: general testing, scripted testing, and test automation. General testing includes bug hunting, smoke tests. Clicking on general testing, we can dive deep with everything under it. We can provide a quick, high-level smoke test for the app, we can focus on specific areas to test, or we can regress bugs that are reportedly fixed. Scripted testing is the same thing as general testing, except we follow the specific paths or steps you provide. The last area is test automation. You can use QAOnDemand to write test scripts in any language or framework. Typically, we get asked to write Selenium scripts, XUnit tests, and QTB tests. But we have expertise in many other languages. If you are just getting started with testing, we can bootstrap your entire infrastructure, including an initial framework, continuous integration server setup, creation of your set of test scripts. We can build on your existing library. If you need scripts converted from one language to another, we can do that too. We can handle just about any QA related activity, so just ask if there are additional QA services you are seeking. In this example, we will keep it simple with general testing around some common areas. There's quite a bit of overlapping to most projects, so we offer a common pick list for the areas of focus. In this example, we want to test the general interface. We want a bunch of testing around our Facebook and Google Plus sharing features. If you have any other areas that need testing, then you can provide that here. This is where you identify the project deadline. Our deadline lockdown is March 23rd, 2015. In this screen, we identify the budget up front. You can also set your team size by selecting the testers count and estimated days per your requirements. If you are not sure of the team size for your requirements, you can choose the default team size option, which is one tester for one day. You can change the required team size later on once the provider contacts you and provides the estimated team size required for your job. Here, you will have to purchase the required credit points to start the job. You need to click the Buy Now link. It displays a text field pre-populated with minimum credit points required to start the job. Click the Buy Points button. Observe that it asks for adding a credit card if not already added. Now, you add your credit card by providing your card details on the page. Click the Save button. Once the card is added successfully, you can proceed further. Accept the payment terms and conditions and buy credit points. You will need to enter the CVV here and click the Yes button. Wait while your transaction is processing and observe that the purchase is successful. Click Continue Job button to proceed further on the Job Wizard. Select your contact option. Provide your contact information and job title. Now, move forward and quickly view the job requirements. Submit this page in order to post the job on QAOnDemand. Thank you so much for trying QAOnDemand. We look forward to providing you a great QA service on demand.